the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your Microsoft Store. Do you have Windows laptop, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, you have to go to Microsoft Store.
Okay.
Just open it. Then you have to search here Python
Okay.
and install any one version here. Just install Python 3.11. Click on it. Click on Get. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, 1 second. Python 3.11, right?
Yeah, 3.11. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's taking time actually.
Okay.
I think it's downloaded, but
Okay.
where
So
can I check it?
what you have to do, go to CMD,
CMD. Okay.
CMD, command prompt.
Yeah.
Now here you have to write Python. Yeah. And press enter. Now you can see you are into the Python editor. Yeah.
Okay.
So just write Python.
Yeah.
Now here, if you write anything, suppose that I am printing hello world. So you have to write print in brackets, in double quotes, you have to write hello world. So hello
Okay.
world. And after that, you have to click enter. So here you can see it is printing hello world on the screen. Just follow along with me.
Yeah.
After that, if you write here quit, what will happen? It will quit out of the system.
Okay.
Next, what you have to do? Just go here, search for idle, IDLE. So here you
IDLE.
can see
Okay.
idle. So you have to write IDLE. Select one.
In the Microsoft Store itself, you want me to search it?
Microsoft Store here. Just click on here, Windows button,
Okay.
and search for idle, IDLE.
Yeah. Yeah, IDLE Python 3.11. Yeah.
Yeah, 3.11. Just click on that.
Okay.
Now this is the interface that you will be seeing.
Yeah.
Now let me enhance the font size. So what you have to do? Just click on file.
Okay.
There is an option where it is. Click on options. Click on configure idle. Here you can see there is a thing called as size. Just increase to 60. Click on OK. And is the font visible to you?
Yeah.
Now here we can do the same thing. Print and the brackets, double quote, hello world. Clear? It is printing hello world on the screen. Yes.
Yeah.
So this interface that you are seeing, it is called as Python shell.
Okay.
So this interface is basically Python shell. Now if you go to file and click on new file, this interface that you are seeing, it is called as Python script.
Okay.
Now if you write here print in double quotes, hello world, it will be printing hello world on the screen. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to save this thing. So you have to press Ctrl S and just give the file a name. So I am giving the name as hello and click on enter. Just select the folder. Let me select one folder here, documents, new folder, Python. So if you just write hello, click on save. Have you saved the file?
Yeah, I'm just creating the same.
Next, what you have to do, you have to click on run. And if you can see, there is an option called as run module F5. So if you click on it, it will print hello world on the screen.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, 1 second. So you want me to run it, right? Run module. Yeah, it's run. Yeah, it came the same way. Hello world.
It is printing hello world.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here you can see, whenever I am writing any characters here, we have to write it in double quotes, right?
Yeah.
But if you want to write some number like print,
No need to. Yeah, no need for the double quotes.
say in number, we don't require any double quotes. Clear?
Yeah.
Just save it, click on F5, and here you can see it is printing hello world and comma 32. The interface now. So this is called as Python script, and this is called as Python shell. Now we can close both of it.
Yeah.
Now what you have to open? You have to open a platform called as colab.research.google.com.
Okay.
So colab.research.google.com.
Yeah.
Just log in with your account and you will be seeing this screen.
Yeah, I got the same screen.
Now what you have to do, you have to click on plus new notebook.
Plus new notebook. Yeah. Okay.
Now you will be seeing this window.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Now what you have to do, this notebook is called as IPYNB, means Interactive Python Notebook.
Okay.
It is also called as Jupyter Notebook. So this is a platform for running the code online. Yeah?
Okay.
Now here we can see, if I click on Untitled 13, I can just edit my file name. So I am writing Python.
Okay.
Yeah? Python day1.ipynb.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now here there is this thing called as start coding or generate with AI. So what we have to do, we have to write here print double quotes hello Vasu. Now what I have to do, I have to press shift enter.
Oh, shift enter?
Yeah, shift enter.
Yeah.
So when I do shift enter, Currently it is in connecting mode. Here it is written connecting. It is connected. Now it will print hello Vasu. Clear?
Yeah, what? I think it's running. Yeah, it came.
Next, if you want to print number, similarly, what you have to do? Print, give any number, such as 45, press shift enter, and it will print 45.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's giving me syntax error. Okay, GDOs display. Okay, we can't give like 0 like that.
No, you can give print 0 also. Print 0.
No. Yeah, but I tried like
Yeah.
Oh.
Any doubt?
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. Now there is a concept called as variable. So what you have to do? You just have to select the cell, and there is an option called as plus text. So if you click on that,
Yeah.
if you click hash and here write variables and press shift enter, it will create a heading.
Okay. Let me try.
Click on plus text, hash.
Yeah. Yeah, it is created the variables.
Yeah. Now here you can see I am creating a variable. So what you have to do? You have to just create a variable. So variable is like a placeholder where you store your data. So here I am creating a variable called as name equal to, and I am storing a value such as I am storing Vasu.
Yeah.
So this is called as variable. Press shift enter. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I think I can see only half of the screen. I couldn't see the what you have entered, right? Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. So what you just given the name and you just name it as like about
What?
so that's it.
Yeah. Name is equals to what?
Okay. I mean, I think
Can you see it now?
yeah, but I think I got like something different.
Okay, what are you seeing now? Are you saying like this name is equals to Basu? Is the screen visible to you?
Yeah, that is visual, but in my screen I'm getting like something different, so that's why.
Okay, there is no output you are getting. Basically, you are assigning a variable and its value. So the left hand side is called as variable.
Yeah.
The right hand side is called as value. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, if you write here print name, so you will see your output as Vasu.
Yeah.
Clear? And down.
So we need. Okay. So I've entered the same thing, and we need to call the same thing. Print
Yeah.
name. Okay.
Printing in bracket variable name.
Okay.
Similarly, let us say I have written age is equals to 32. So I will do print age. So it will print me the age.
Yeah.
So is it clear how to print the variable and its value?
Yeah. It's just like giving some memory, and we need to call it again, right? Same
Yes.
thing like that.
So here we can see, here we are giving something called as string. So when you write in double quotes, it is called as string. Yes?
Yeah.
And here what is storing? It is integer. Here, if you write type of name. So if you write type and name, it will give you str. str means string.
Okay.
Yeah. Similarly, if you write type of age, so age is basically an integer, right?
Yeah.
It will give you int. Clear? Now what you can do, you can see there is an option of this option. You have to just click on it
Okay.
and make it a little bit big. Yeah. Now you can see type of age is integer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you write like this, age is equals to 45.2334, and when you print type of age, it will give you float.
Okay. Brother, I think you need to scroll it down again. Okay.
Yeah.
Type is okay. It's called. You're still down. Okay.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
So age is equals to 45.34 and it is printing float. Clear?
Yeah.
Similarly, if you write something called as age is equals to capital TRUE, and then you print age, and then you print
Yes.
type of age, it will return you a boolean.
Boolean. Yeah. True or false. Yeah.
Indicated as bull.
Yeah. It's something like we are asking the question and it's giving back the answer, right? What type of is it? Yeah.
So is it clear? Integer,
Yeah.
boolean, and string.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Similarly, there is something called as complex number. We have studied in class 11 complex number.
Yeah.
Maybe before that, class 8 also. So,
Yeah.
if you write like this, 5i plus 4j. This thing
Yeah.
is called as, so it's basically 5 plus 4j. And if
Yeah.
type of x, it will give you complex.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it hits in 1 minute. So this is how you write a comment. Clear?
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want to write multiple line comments, what you have to do? You have to do like this. 3 quotes, and in between 3 quotes, you write comment like this. This is multi-line comment. Clear?
Okay.
So this is called a multi-line comment.
Yeah.
Any doubt in the comment part?
No.
Okay. Suppose that if you see a syntax like this, print if man is in double quotes motivated or not. So when you run this code, it will throw you an error.
Yeah.
So let us say I want to print this line in this format. What I can do, I can use something called as escape characters. So what you have to do? Here you have to write 2 slashes. 1 slash here and 1 slash here.
Okay.
And when you run this thing, it will show you not here, basically here. So when you run this, it will print you like this.
Yeah.
Clear? So this slash that you are seeing here, it is called as escape characters.
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubt?
No.
Similarly, if you write like this, print double quotes, this is a boy And if you write /n, and if you write print in the same way, this is a girl.
Yeah, this gonna come in the next line, right?
You will see in the next line.
Yeah, we'll get in the 2 lines. Yeah.
Similarly, there is something called as /t. T means tab separated space. So a big space will come between these two.
Yeah.
Clear?
Okay.
So all these 3 things basically called as escape character.
Okay, skip characters. Okay.
Escape character. Let me just write the comment. Escape characters. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt in escape character?
No.
Now, there is something called as keywords. Keywords are basically the reserved words in Python. Reserved words in Python. For example, here you are seeing print statement. So this print is called as keyword.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are more than 35 plus keywords present in Python. Yeah. So here you can go keywords in Python. You can get all the list. So these are the predefined keywords.
Okay.
Yeah. And as, if, print, every single thing. So these are called as keywords.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot use keyword as a variable name. Remember. Above, there is a concept of something called as data type in Python.
Yeah.
Data types.
And when you're giving the spaces, right? I mean, after hash, it's coming like this. Even I've done the same thing.
Then if you don't use this, it will not detect the ID.
Yeah. It is not taking like the...
So there are various data types in Python.
Yeah.
First one we talked about, first one is numbers, such as integer, string, float, Boolean, complex. These are the things that we have already talked about, right?
Yeah.
Next, we have something called as another data type called as strings. Then we have something called as list, tuple, dictionary, sets.
So 1 second, brother. I mean, in the data types, in the numbers, you have written like int, string, float, boolean, complex, right? And why again is the strings? I mean, is the both are different?
Then just remove this string here. Integer, float, boolean, integer, float, and complex. These are the only 3 in comes under.
Yeah.
So these are the following data types present in Python programming language. Now, before going to the data types in Python, let us understand about something called as operators.
Yeah.
So the first operator that we have, it's called as arithmetic operator, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the things. So if you write 3 plus 4. Similarly, if you write print uh, 5 *2. So basically it is called as squaring. So 5 multiplied by 5, 25. So it will return you 25. So let us say if you want to get remainder, what you can do, you can use modulus. 5 modulo 2 percentage sign. This is called as modulus. Clear? It will give you remainder.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want to get the quotient, what do you have to do? You have to write like this. Print 5. Let us say I am dividing by 2. So what it will give? It will give 2.5. But if you write 5/2, it will give you 2. Like a floor value.
Quotient, yeah.
Yeah, floor. Floor means 2.5, floor means 2. But if I talk about ceiling means 3. Ceiling is top value.
Yeah.
Floor is bottom value, ceiling is top value. So top value of 0.5 is 3, bottom value is 2. Okay. Any doubt in arithmetic operators?
No.
Okay. So let me just name change to arithmetic operators. Similarly, there is something called as relational operator. So what do you have to do? Click on plus text, create a heading, relational operator. So suppose that you have written like print 5 greater than 6. Is it true or false?
No, false.
False. So it will return me false. Similarly, if you write print 5 is less than 6.
Yeah.
It is true. So this symbol that you are seeing here, it is called as relational operator.
Relational operator.
You can use it like this also. You can use it like this also. 5 greater than equal to. Or you can use 5 less than equal to. Clear? So greater than equal to, less than equal to. All these are called as relational operator.
Yeah.
There is something called as equal to operator also. So if you write like this, 5 equal to 3. Is it true? No.
No.
It will give me false. So these are all the things that we are seeing here. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. All these are called relational operator.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Similarly, we have something called as logical operator.
And or
Not.
Not.
Yeah. So logical. Teaching and or and not. So if you write something called as, let us say I am writing Ram is equals to 45, Syam is equals to 56. And here I am writing print Ram is greater than Syam and Syam is greater than Ram. So can you tell me this statement is true or false?
Ram is greater than Shyam, that is false, and Shyam greater than Ram, that's true. So it's like false and true.
It is false and this is true.
And that's true. Yeah. So
It will return me something called as false.
false.
Because in AND operation, what happen is it follows this principle: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1,
1 0.
0, 1, 1. So if any of them is false, it will give me
False.
so 0. Similarly here, 0. In order to become true, both should be.
Both should be true.
Basically here what is happening? Multiplication.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
AND operator.
Mm.
Multiplication happening, right?
Yeah.
So this thing is called as AND operator. Similarly, if I write instead of Ram Syam, if I write OR, what will happen?
It's like a false and it could be anything.
True.
So
So one is
True.
false, one is true. Means or means if one is true, then the result will be.
it's true. True.
So what you can write? Let me just copy this thing. Let me just go there. Click on text. Click on OR. So in OR, what is happening here is instead of multiplication, here is happening addition. So 0 plus 0,
Yeah.
0 plus
0
1.
is 1.
1 plus 0, 1. 1, 1, also 1.
One.
So this is called as OR operator.
Yeah.
Clear? And then there's something called as NOT. So if I write NOT in front of it, what will happen? It will just reverse the output. So it is giving me true. When I written here NOT, it will give me false. Clear?
Okay.
So NOT is just like reversing the result.
So like okay.
AND is for multiplication, OR is for addition, NOT is just like reversing the output.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No. Like what happens like if it's like not and it is in the middle of end.
NOT is like reversing the output. So currently I am getting here true. But when I write NOT in front of it, it will give me false.
Yeah. I'm saying the same thing. Like if instead of like or, if we keep the end and if we put the not, then it would come like true.
Yes. So you write AND, then in that case it will come like true.
Okay.
Just
Yep.
reversing the output.
Yeah.
So any doubt in this?
No.
Next we have something called as assignment operator. Assignment operator. So here what we have to do, let us say if we have written A is equals to 5. So the value of A is 5, right?
Yeah.
Let us say I want to increase by 10. So normal way is how to do it? A is equals to A plus 10, right?
Yeah.
And if you print A, what it will give?
15.
15. So this is one way to increment. Another way to increment is like this. A plus equal to.
Oh, brother, here you didn't say like anything like print, right? I mean, you directly take like 15.
Yeah. So in Jupyter Notebook, the main benefit is you don't have to write print statement also. If you just write variable,
Okay.
it will print that value also.
Oh, okay. So what about in the code? I mean, while we write the code, like, is it
And
acceptable
you
like that?
print in that case. For
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now here what is happening? A plus is equals to 10. So currently the value of A is 15. 15 plus 10?
It's 25. It's gonna come 25.
25. So this is called as increment operator.
Yeah.
Shorthand version basically. Similarly, we have decrement operator also. What do we have to do? Instead of plus,
A minus.
minus.
So it's gonna come as 15. So what happened like if it is a prefix like plus A is equal to 10, is it those things are there in this Python too?
No, there's no such thing as plus A here. It will give you.
Okay. I think in the C, right, we have the prefix and suffix things like plus A, something like those concepts.
You can write that, but here you cannot write.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear.
We have increment, we have decrement.
Yeah. I think that one you need to change the name, decrement.
Similarly, we have something called as membership operator. Membership operator.
Okay.
So in not in like reversing the output. So if I say let us say I have written some text. So, welcome to data analytics and analytics. Now, if I write print true in test, so what would it return? Is present or not? True is present in this test or not?
Okay. Yeah.
So what will it do?
To
Right?
return to. Yeah. Okay. It's telling like true. Okay.
But if I write instead of TU, if I write capital TU, will it return true?
If it is a case sensitive, then it will not return.
Yeah. So Python is case sensitive, so it will return false.
Okay.
Similarly, instead of in, if I write not in, what will happen?
I think it will be like reverse, like it will come like true.
Clear? So not is just like reversing the order.
Yeah. It's like giving some question to that one. Okay.
Yes. Similarly, we have something called as is it clear? Membership.
Yeah. I mean, like in which cases we use these things, well, when membership.
Programming, we use this. Like, this is the general of Python. You have to know about it.
Okay. I mean, do we use in the data analytics? Like, I mean, do we get any chance like to use
Not
this?
that much, but sometimes we use.
Okay. Just for you're saying like for the normal, the basic one, you're
For basic.
doing it over there. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Now, one last operator, we have something called as identity.
Yeah.
Identity operator. So there are two things. Is not. So let us say I have a two text. Text 1, Ram. Text 2, yeah. So if I write print text 1 is text 2, what it will return?
Okay, text 1 is text 2. No, that's false, right? They both are not same. False.
Similarly, if I write is not, what it will do?
It will true.
So this is the operators. Any doubt?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So we have talked about identity operator, members in or not in. Similarly, we have talked about assignment operator.
Yeah.
We have talked about AND operator, OR operator, not. AND or not. Logical operator, basically. Then we talked about relational one, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and double equal.
Yeah. Brother, once can you go down? Assignment operator.
Assignment. Where?
Yeah.
Okay, this one, assignment. Yeah.
Okay. Just like okay. Got it. We use the increment and decrement, right? Okay. Got it.
But there is something called as double equal. Double equality is like checking the values on both sides.
Yeah.
It will return true. If it is not matching, it will return false.
False. Yeah.
So any doubt up to that?
No.
Everything clear?
So what about so can you go down? No, all the way up. I think I forgot the numbers. The tuple and everything, it comes under which one? Yeah, this one. So will you explain this one also, brother?
Yeah, let's be explaining. Okay. So basically, before doing that, we have to explain something called as okay. So before doing that, we have to explain something called as type conversion.
Yeah.
So type conversion. So here we can see there are two types. First one is implicit. Second one we have explicit. So implicit, what does it mean? 5 divided by 2. Both are integer, right?
Yeah.
But when I divide it, it is returning me integer. No, it is giving me float.
Float.
So here you see both are integer, but the output is giving me float. So this is called as implicit conversion. Means Python compiler doing it automatically.
Yeah.
Now, if I have to make it float, if I write like this, a is equals to int of a. So here I am explicitly converting the float into integer.
Integer. Yeah, it will give like 2.
Implicit conversion.
Yeah.
So this is called as implicit.
Yeah, we are specifying like we need particularly integer.
Yeah.
So then, brother, like here it's giving like the nearest value, like the round-off value is 2, right? If suppose like it's like 2.8, like will it give like 3 or else still it gives like 2?
Yeah.
Will it give 3 if it is 2.8?
Okay, so if you write int 2.8, it will not give me 3. It will give me 2.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. One more thing. Like how to take input from the user. How to take input from the user. So if you write like name, input, so this is the keyword you have to use. And in double quotes, you have to write your name. Now you will print name. Now if I run this thing, it will ask me to give the things as input. So here you can see, it is asking me to give the input. So if I writing Abhishek, so it is giving me printing the Abhishek.
Okay.
So can you tell me what is the nature of this input? Is it integer or string?
It's a string.
Yeah.
Because
if you write type of name, it will give me a string.
Yeah. Because we use the double quotes, right? So that's why.
Not double quotes. By default, this input parameter is string type.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let us say if I have to take input like integer, what I have to do? Input. But before that, I have to write something called as int.
Okay.
Then I can take integer input. 4. So it will print me 4. Now if I write type of x, then it will return me integer.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have to do typecasting. Yeah.
Okay. Typecasting. Okay. By default, input is like a string. So if we want to use it like a float or any other thing, we need to do like a before typecast. Yeah.
Yes.
Got it. I mean, we can use the input like whatever, like depending upon the situation, like something like. If we wanna use the.
Similarly, you can write here in front of it float also.
Yeah.
The output in float like 4.5, 4.3. So if you write type of x, so it will give you float.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, brother, like I'd want out, like I mean, for I don't know about the data science, like how much do we code in the data analytics? Like as much as I mean, I've seen like whatever the videos and everything, like people that talk about like in most of the cases in the data, what does the data analyst do? They say like they extract the data and they filter the raw data into the structural format, and they store the data like that. They're saying like, don't use the much coding in the data side. Data side.
Basically, we will learn it later. First of all, we will talk about the basics. After that, we will talk about every single thing, like merging, joining, renaming the columns, every single thing.
Yeah, that I know. I was just asking like, will it be like no coding? I just said it out like that's it.
Okay, not that much coding. Nowadays, everything is shifting into like drag and drop type of thing.
Okay.
If you know the basics things, it will be okay for you. At least then ask ChatGPT then. But if you don't know the basics, how can you ask through ChatGPT also?
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
So you have to just learn about the basics.
Yeah.
Right? Now, up till this, any doubt here?
No.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now, let us say if we have to take two input at once. So, what you can do? You have to write like this. Let us say x comma y equal to input into two values. Then I have to add one more parameter here, dot state. Okay. Now, if you print, see, you have to write like x comma y. Yeah. So if you just run it, what you have to do? 4. Then you have to write space 5. So it will print 4 and 4, 5. Can you tell me what is the nature? Is it integer or string?
I think it's a string.
Yeah, it is a string because I am not added int in front of it. So what I have to do? I have to write like this. X is equals to int of x. Then y is equals to int of y. Clear?
Yeah.
Then it will become integer. Yeah. So this is how you take multiple inputs from the user. These types of question mostly asked in the like coding round, practical coding round. Like how we let's say you are participating in Lead Code or CodeChef Live platform.
Yeah.
So they will ask you. So you have to use dot split.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Up to any doubt.
No.
Okay.
Brother, like if we don't use the split, like what happens? At a time.
Basically, if you don't try to split, it will be treating both the values as 45, not assigned to y, only assigned to x.
Okay.
So split is basically like a delimiter. So here I'm using piece as a delimiter.
Okay.
So x is going to 4, y is going to 5.
So you have given the space, right? What happens like if we don't give space and if we enter like 4, 5, so it will take like the single value, then it will be as an only for the x.
Okay. What are you saying? Can you just speak then?
Yeah, I was just saying like while you're entering the values, right? Can you run it again, the same thing, so that I can say
this thing.
Yeah, the same thing. So here it is asking like two values, right? If you earlier you have written like 4 and you have given the space, and if you have given like 5, then it has taken like 4 and 5. 4 is for x and y is for 5. So what happens like if we don't give space and if we give like 4, 5, in the single one,
so it will assign 45 and y to
null. Okay.
Null. And it is forming here. Okay. 2 got 1.
Okay. So it's asking for the space. Okay, got it. So we can't use the comma also, right? After if we want to give that, we can only give the space. Okay, got it. Yeah. So it's treating, yeah. Got it, but yeah.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, brother, no. Till now it's good.
Okay. Okay, so okay, up till this point, and it is clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay, now there is one more thing. We have something called as conditional statement, such as if else, if else, nested if else. So these are the conditional statement in Python we have. So if I write like this, is equals to 45. And if I write like this, if is or if is greater than 76, then you have to write semicolon. After that, you have to press enter. Then here you have to write print it is greater.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what does it output?
Oh, 1 second. If it's greater than 76, it is greater. Okay.
It will be printing anything or not?
I mean, it will just print the it is greater, I think so.
No, here it is. Is 45. 45 is greater than 76.
Okay. No.
Yeah. So it will be not printing anything.
Okay.
But if it is just like this, is less than 76, it will print. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if I add one more condition in order to deal with this, here what we can do, else print it is smaller. So this is how you write if else. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No. So here instead of semicolons, you use these dots, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If we remove it, like, will it run or else it throws an error? If we don't give the dots.
What do you see?
For if A is less than 76, then afterwards you put the 2 dots, right? If we don't give the dots, we throw in here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it, brother. Yeah.
Let us say if I write one more condition here, I'm just copy pasting it.
Yeah.
In links. So let us say if I write if is less than 67, print this one also. This is great. So here if you write multiple statement, then in that case it will do like this. Yeah.
Oh, this is great. Yeah. It's checking with both the statements.
Yeah.
And the second statement is true, right? So that's why it's printing this. If it is still it's false, then it will.
Still about returning yields.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Any doubt?
No, brother. No.
Okay.
Yeah. And I think we have the last one, right? Still.
Yeah. Next, we have something called as nested if else. So what you have to do? I'm pasting this thing.
Okay.
Here, if I write one more condition, if age is greater than, let us say, if age is greater than 56,
Yeah.
print this. So if I write if inside if, it is called as nested if else.
Okay.